Thank you for clicking on my video. I truly appreciate it. Today, join me in cooking savory chicken drumstick. Without further ado, I will introduce you to the following ingredients. First, of course, we need chicken drumsticks 6 pieces, 3 cloves of garlic, 1 tablespoon ginger paste, 1 teaspoon paprika, 3 tablespoons honey, 1/4 cup soy sauce. And for our garnish, we will need sesame seed. We'll start with a mixing bowl. We will pour our chicken drumstick. Then, we will combine the garlic, ginger, paprika, honey, and soy sauce. We'll mix it all well. Cover with cling film and then leave to marinate in the fridge for 4 to 6 hours or overnight. Then, we'll fry the chicken in a large pan on both sides for about 10 to 15 minutes. We'll stir it often until golden brown. Pour in the marinade, bring to boil and stir until the marinade is thick and resembles a sauce. And then cook for further 5 to 10 minutes. Making sure each drumstick is evenly coated and cooked through. After that, we'll have to pour it in a clean dish and then garnish with sesame seeds. There you go, our savory chicken drumstick. Enjoy!